BAL Flexbone 2Easy is a new floating mat system that's like nothing you've used before. So what makes Flexbone 2Easy so unique? Let us show you. Flexbone 2Easy is truly uncoupled. As long as floors are level and solid, your only prep is a quick sweep of the floor. There's no removing residue or laitance and no adhesive to bond the mat. Just lay the mat directly onto the floor for immediate tiling. Flexbone 2Easy can make your installation time much faster, reducing it by around 50%. It also enables you to get started earlier to save even more time. Instead of waiting for new screeds to cure in the traditional way, Flexbone 2Easy allows fast-track tiling on new screeds, including cement and anhydrite. Better still, even when your screed is not fully cured, any residual moisture in the substrate is distributed evenly through the Flexbone 2Easy system of perforations and channels, meaning the screed can still cure fully under the tiling. And in addition to saving you time, Flexbone 2Easy also gives you big savings on installation costs. As well as standard kitchen, hallway, bathroom and conservatory projects, Flexbone 2Easy's floating system and loose lay installation opens up all kinds of new possibilities. Easily removable tiling in rental properties, 2Easy. Fast and affordable updates in retail spaces, 2Easy. Tiling over sensitive substrates such as heritage properties, 2Easy. And when you want to remove or replace the tiling, it's as simple as cutting through the grout joints and lifting the tile away in one sheet. And of course, like every product from the market leaders in tiling, it comes with BAL's unique 25-year manufacturer's guarantee when used as part of a complete system. For more information, go to bal-adhesives.com.